Hey guys, there's been a lot of news about Lunar Classic, but none of them seems to be improving the market, but rather the market seems to be crashing consistently. You're welcome to CoinSpace with Austin. Today we're going to be looking at Lunar Classic with the Bollinger Band and also the RXI indicator. Lunar Classic has been suffering for quite some time. If you followed my last video about Lunar Classic, you're going to see how the market has been crashing so far. The market hasn't confidently made is significant overbought this period because level of the confidence of investors are crashing, and then the market volume is also going down consistently. This is the market volume on coin market cap. The market cap is also going down, and this is the volume. The volume has pushed up by 34.73%, which is very much not enough to actually push up the market, and they're consistently burning tokens to see that the crypto pushes up in value. But let's look at the indicator, which is basically what will tell us where the market is going to or where the market is going to go to. Now, if you check right now on the Bollinger Band, the market is on the lower part of the band, and this market has always been on the lower part of the band, which shows that the market is always being sold. Now, buyers are few. We have few buyers in this market right now. We have more of sellers than buyers, which is what is very much evident on this chart right now. Even if we should pull the chart down, you're still going to see that we have much more sellers than buyers in the Lunar Classic community, which is not very good for business at all. These sellers consistently sell off their assets they're holding, and this depreciates the market's capitalization, which is definitely not good for the market. Well, let's look at how the Lunar Classic asset is doing right now. This is where it's currently trading at, this red spot here, 0.000880, which is pretty much low compared to where it was a couple of months ago or last month before the pump, before that, during January, before we had the pump. Now the market is crashing consistently. Even if you check the market trend, you're going to see that the graph is going from top to bottom, which is not really so great at the moment. But Lunar Classic, if you're trading Lunar Classic right now, you have to be very cautious and always dollar cost average. But let's look at the Bollinger Band and also the RXI right now. Now, like I said, the market is on the lower part of the band, and the chances of it crossing up above here, it's very slim. Like I said in my last video, it's going to be hard for Lunar Classic to cross up to a point where it is greatly oversold unless there is a big market trend that actually pushes it. But at this point, if you're trading here, you have to be very careful. But I see this market consistently pushing down, because on this particular point here, well, the market is almost getting close to being oversold, of which is going to push up. Yes, even if it's oversold, it's hardly going to find its way up to where it will be overbought because of the confidence level of the market, which is very down. So if you're trading this market right now, be careful and do your own research before getting into the market. So the market is actually being oversold. It's almost being oversold, but like I said, it's hardly going to make that kind of impact where it's going to come up to being overbought. Now, if you look at this RXI indicator, you're going to see that for a very long time, the market has not been overbought. Now, this is the band between the overbought and the oversold. This is the space, and the market has only been oversold, but it has never been overbought. Now, that is to tell you that there are few buyers in the market. Now, this is the RSI indicator, which measures the momentum and speed of the market. And the speed and momentum of the market is not encouraging at all from what we're seeing in this position. So this is to tell you that Lunar Classic is still going to go down for a very long time, or rather, should I say, for quite some time. So if you're a seller, this is a good time for you. But if you're a buyer, this is not a good time for you. And if you're trading either ways, I always ask you to dollar cost average. Like, these indicators are not all that 100% reliable. That's why we have to combine two or more and also add the fundamental analysis, which is the news and other economic factors as well. So this market is not a favorable market at the moment. Look at it, like I said, it has not been over bought for a very, very long time, which is not a very good sign at all. And look at the market here. And the only thing I'm seeing right now is this market actually going down in the long run. Yes, but in the short term, if you're doing a 15 minutes trade like here, you can actually be trading very well because the market will keep hitting the overbought and the oversold, which is very, very good way for trading anyway. So, well, if you're a long-term trader, the market is all on your desk, but you still have to be very, very careful as a long-term trader so it doesn't crash on you. That's why you have to dollar cost average. And the market right now, like I said, I don't see it pushing anyway way above this position in the long run. Let's say in the next couple of let's say up to next month, the market is not hitting this position, this blue position here, 0.00010351. And like you see, the Lunar Classic market, it's finding it hard to actually define a resistance point. Now, it is way, very, very serious in this regard. Now, there is no form of a defined resistance point, and there's no form of a push-up point, which makes the market very, very dicey. Why? Because there are more sellers, like I've always said, more sellers than buyers. So if you're trading this market, just be very, very careful so as not to lose your money. Or if you ask me, I'll prefer you just sit back and study the market very, very well. Give it some time and see the market trend, what it actually like before you go into the market. If you like this content, kindly smash the like and the subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll do well to attend to it. I am Austin and this is Coinspace. Thank you for sticking around.